Mag-i-skating kami. Ngayon, Tagalog po kami, guys. I want skating Friday. Yes. Me is 3 kapatid. 3 my friend. Because yeah. Yung sinabi ko, sabi ko mag-i-skating kami, tapos 3 kapatid ko, lalakad kaming 3. Yung isa kong bunso, hindi siya pwede kasi wala pa siyang skating.